So under here, it had said to remove these brackets, okay? It really gives poor directions. I wanted to see, I took one bracket off that side, and I left this one. Now it's gonna create a little more work, but it might save you guys some time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna see if I can leave the brackets. It won't hurt anything, just give me more reinforcement on my air dam here. I think that's all they really do if you wanna know the truth, but I have no idea. However, these holes right here, it might push them just a quarter inch out and might not align with the thing. I can't tell that till I lift it up, put it on and try to bolt it in. I may have to take this one off, so I'm gonna leave that one off. I'll have to and put it on the way. It also makes you reuse those original bracket bolts. It gives very poor directions, okay? It does not say to use a washer, however, there's enough washers that I can do it. I can't put a washer if I'm leaving this on. It takes up too much space. The other side, I'm gonna try to use the washers, and I'll show you what I mean here. This one is off, same thing. I had to push those little kind of crappy bolts that come with it. You see them right there, I got them pushed through. They're a pain in the butt. You gotta take them up in here and put them in there. But I'm gonna try. It gets going. Do not tighten them all the way. They say you're not supposed to tighten these all the way either, so not in the directions. It really, like I said, it poorly illustrates. Boy, this is tough. I dropped the thing. See what I mean about until you get these bolts, this thing falls out on you, and then you have to use your fingers, and it's a pain in the butt to get in the frame of the truck. If I can get it back. What is the pain? You almost have to line the darn things up. Oh, we're good. Now you see why I don't want to do this after the fact. You gotta get one, and then you use your fingers to spin it. I mean, it's hard. And then you have to keep pressure. So I said this little guy is in my way. Definitely in my way. But we can reroute that and zip tie it very easily. Another place. Put the bracket back in here. You get to work, hopefully. Got it. So I was able to push the.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my
silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, Everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me?
And just take pieces and wonder. But they left all these kind of thing brackets, their versions of them, loose until they got the bumper on to tighten it up one direction or another. Ranch Hand does not tell you to do that. That doesn't mean you need to, so I'm just gonna snug them a little bit, just so they don't fall off. And what you need to do, put that handy towel in here, and then, sorry guys, not getting a great view. Try to move this up. The whole point of the towel is so you don't beat your paint up. Alright, you got one. All I'm doing is snugging, especially since I don't know if I'm gonna have to come back out and tighten this after the fact or take it off. Alright. So what we did is we got it kind of snug. I can probably loosen them a tiny bit just so I can have some play here. So when the bar comes through, it hooks up to this. But I think you're supposed to leave a little play and then tighten them out to the fat. At least that's how other mechanics would work. Don't know. Directions don't say. We'll find out soon. I'll tell you after I do it.